The best indication of how an auto dealership treats their customers is how they treat their employees. Sunset has people who've dedicated their professional careers to the Sunset business philosophy, giving the customer more. Like Clay, the fleet and commercial manager at Sunset Ford. Clay's been a part of the Sunset family since late 2016. For Clay, building lifelong relationships with customers is a big deal. While being an avid outdoorsman, Clay's true passion is giving back to the community. You know, Sunset is always looking for people absolutely dedicated to taking care of customers. People just like you. Sound like the kind of culture you could see yourself being a part of? Go to careers at sunsetautofamily.com or any of the Sunset dealership websites. And let's talk soon. Sunset has one of the most generous pay plans in the industry. Medical and dental benefits, a 401k retirement plan, and the ability to accommodate your individual priorities with flex schedules. Even a 4-day work week. So come join us. You just get more at Sunset, and our people do like that.